How to make your Telegram channel request to join. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a super useful feature that allows you to control who joins your channel. So let's get started. First, open the Telegram app and then click on the channel that you have created. And then tap on your profile icon on the top right. There, click on the edit option. And then you'll see my channel type is set to public. Now, to make request to join, you'll have to change the channel type to private. Tap on it and then tap on manage invite links. Now, click on create a new link and tap on create. Now you'll see the new link there. Tap on it. And then you can copy it and share it to your friends, or you can just tap on the share button and then share it to your friends. That's it. Hope you liked watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.